guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare, and in today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to make exquisite face mask guys. Okay, if today is your first time of tuning in, I say welcome and I say big thank you guys. In this video we are going to need banana, which we are going to use to make this face mask, and also we need our yogurt, and the third ingredient that we need also is honey. So guys, what we are going to do first is to match the banana. You just have to take out the peel and match the banana. You can also use the peel if you want. So guys, this is it. I have mashed the banana. You can use your food processor to match the banana, or you can also use your spoon to match the banana if the banana is ripe enough for you to use your spoon to match it. So guys, I'm going to add yogurt to it, and I'll be using 2 spoons of yogurt, and you just have to mix it very well guys. Yogurt is very good to exfoliate your skin. If you want to exfoliate your skin, always use yogurt. It is very beneficial to the skin. And we are going to add the honey now. I always tell you guys to use raw honey. If you're using honey in your skincare routine, always go for organic and raw honey. This is how raw honey. This is how raw honey looks like. It is very thick in texture. You can see how thick it looks. So you just have to mix, and make sure you mix it very well to have this creamy texture. The more you mix, the more the texture becomes creamy guys. So after mixing this, you're just going to add it. You're just going to put this into your jar, and make sure you wash your jar, and make sure you spray it with alcohol before storing this with your jar. And after storing this, you're just going to keep it in your refrigerator for 1 week or 2 weeks. It should not be more than 2 weeks. If not, it's going to be spoiled. Okay guys, let me tell you the benefits of banana face mask. Banana has nutrients that contain potassium, vitamin B, vitamin A, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E guys. So this can hydrate your skin, this can moisturize your skin, protect against free radicals that cause our skin to be dry, and it can heal dry skin also. It can take away dark spots from your skin. So what you have to do guys is to wash your face, scrub your face, and apply this mask on your face, and allow it to sit for 30 minutes before you wash it off with cold water. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Please feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and see you in my other next video guys. I love you all.